Hi friends, good morning. And today we are going to learn about the setup attribute and tear down attribute and how to use them in our framework. So let's go through. So this is the scenario where we have written it will launch the browser and search for tech trend and click on the button and then it will close the browser. So if you would like to search something different for every time, right? So this will be the common one. So we don't need to call it again and again. And in the same way, we don't need to call this one also. So what will we do, right? So setup attribute. This attribute will launch the browser and here you can write the launch browser code and you can paste it over here. And coming to this and set tear down attribute. What this tear down attribute will do, it will tear down all the files, or you can write all the close or quit browsers syntax. So if you see, we are able to see some error because this driver is not in local. So let's cut this one and paste it in the class file. Now you see there is no error and we don't need this now. So what this will do, it will first launch the browser and run this code and at the end it will tear down. So let's how to run, just right click on this and click on run test. Now first the setup attribute will take place and the test will take place and the tear down will complete with the tear down. So test is done and it will do the tear down with the browser and you can able to see the success, the pass. So thank you.